The subdivision of pranas, the distinction between the Sthula Prana and Sukshma Prana, from the book called The Practice of Brahmacharya, written by Swami Shivananda. Sthula Prana, physical level prana, is the first of the Pancha Pranas. This prana is also known as Sthula, gross prana, to differentiate it from the all-pervasive vital force. Sthula prana refers to the energy currents located in the thoracic region between the diaphragm and the base of the neck. It is the center of circulation of life energy. This force maintains the heart and lungs and activities in the chest region such as breathing, swallowing, and circulation of blood. When the rate of breath or heartbeat increases due to strenuous work, etc., the level of Sthula Prana also increases. This force is so essential that if its activity is obstructed or ceases for any reason, death may occur. Sthula Prana is experienced in the form of light particles moving upwards in the chest region. Among the fivefold pranas, it occupies the pivotal position and controls the other four. Pranayama in particular raises the level of this prana and prevents congestion of blood in the arteries around the heart. When Sthula Prana is strong, the heart does not become weak and one does not suffer from high or low blood pressure and thus lives longer. The functions of subtle prana or Sukshma Prana. Subtle level, at the level of mind, prana is responsible for the intake of impressions and ideas. Prana energizes all the koshas and is active all the time. It pervades the region from Anahata up to Vishuddhi Chakra. When the force of prana is strong and flowing uninterruptedly, purer qualities of the heart such as strength, courage, and greatness are expressed. This prana is the energy by which one-pointedness of mind and initiative knowledge can be experienced. It holds the intelligent energy of the soul which abides in the heart. By enhancing this prana, the yogis reach the soul. In the Brihadaranya Upanishad 3:7:16, it is said, Yah prane tishtan pranadantaro yam prano na veda yasya prana shariram yah pranamantaro yam tyesha ta atmanantaryamamruta. The intelligent soul is placed in prana inside the prana. It floats and pervades in the prana, yet the non-intelligent are unaware of it. Prana itself has become the body of the chief master who controls it from the inside. Thus the soul is immutable, indestructible, and immortal. Prana is the guide and medium for realization of the soul. When meditating on the heart center, the identification with prana is most intense. One feels as if one has become prana. Indications of imbalance: when the pathways of prana are not clear, the heart and lungs malfunction and there is poor intake of oxygen.